Stampede that occurred on the 18th of December 2024 at Islamic High School, Basharin in Ibadan, Oyo State, which claimed about 35 lives. Olori Naomi broadcaster Alhaji Oriyomi Hamzat, and Fasasi Abdullahi Babatunde have been charged with murder. According to court documents, the accused are alleged to have conspired to commit a felony described as acceleration of death, violating Section 324 of the Criminal Code Cap 38 Volume 2, Laws of Oyo State of Nigeria, 2000. Reacting to the charges, Olori Naomi's sister, Simi took to Instagram to express her outrage and seek clarity on the legal basis of the accusations. "I need lawyers to educate me on why my sister was charged for murder. Okay, she has been brought before the law. Why is she being charged for murder? This is the question I've been asking since yesterday," Simi lamented in her post. She further alleged that the charges were influenced by external forces, stating that since the day she was detained, the answer has been order from above. Who is the order above from? If you have a personal vendetta with my sister, come out in the open. Don't go through corners. The tragic event, which led to multiple casualties, has left the public seeking answers and accountability. Nollywood actor Adeyemi Johnson also called on authorities to show leniency in the case involving Naomi, the former wife of the Oni of Ife. The accused are expected to face trial, and the case has sparked widespread conversations about public safety, event management, and potential abuse of legal authorities. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time updates and exclusive videos.